Hello everyone. Today, we will bring you the installation tutorial for the Dazuma LED vanity light. Before installation, make sure the power to the installation area is completely turned off. Product list: 1 accessory pack, 1 LED vanity light. Step 1. Remove the 2 mounting screws on one side of the bottom of the LED vanity light. Then remove the mounting plate from the bottom of the product. Step 2. Place the mounting plate on the wall where you plan to install the product. Then mark the positions and drill the holes. Step 3. Install the 2 screw anchors from the accessory pack into the holes one by one. Step 4. Install the mounting plate. Align the 2 holes on the mounting plate with the 2 holes on the wall. Step 5. Connect your own wire connectors to the neutral wire and live wire from your wall power supply. Step 6. Connect the fixture wires to the other end of the wire connectors. The blue fixture wire connects to the white neutral wire, the brown fixture wire. Step 7. Install the product cover. The end of the product cover with 2 holes should align with the end of the mounting plate with holes. Then reinstall the mounting screws removed in the first step to secure the product and the mounting plate together. The product installation is now complete. Dazuma, your dedicated partner in professional lighting.